Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day on today. Y'all, today I decided to show y'all how to make fried mackerels. Yes, fried mackerels. Okay, here it's our ingredients. I have 3 cans of mackerels, and I also have some black pepper, some granulated onions, and some salt. And I also have some chopped onions and 1 tablespoon of flour and 2 eggs. And I'm also going to use some cornmeal to coat my mackerels with. Let's get to making our fried mackerels. Okay, I'm going to show y'all how to go about it before y'all even get started preparing your jack mackerels. What you have to do is, this is what you do. You go inside here. Let me show it to you. You're going to see some bones, and you're going to see some bones inside here. And you remove those bones. Okay, let me show you the bones. See right there? You go through there and you remove those bones, okay? Go through there and remove those bones. Let me fix it where you can see it right here. The bones, you'll see that long row of bones here. Like this. You remove it, okay? And anything else that's needed to be removed, you do it, okay? That's how you clean your mackerels. Y'all can see here some bones on top. You go through the whole bowl and remove those bones and whatever that needs to be removed, okay? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mash these up. It's just like you shredding them. Just mash them up. We don't want any chunks, so we're going to mash them up really, really well. Okay, y'all, this is what I do. I have some of the liquid that came out of the jack mackerels. I'm going to add some of this back into maybe about 1/4 of a cup to 1/2 cup, because I won't want my jack mackerels to be dry. You may not want to do it, it's up to you. Now I'm getting ready to add the rest of my ingredients. It's up to you how much seasoning you want to put in here. I'm going to put maybe 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a couple of teaspoons of onion powder. You don't really need any salt. I just put just a little bit, maybe 1/2 teaspoon. I don't put much in there because they already have salt in them. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up. Okay. Now I'm going to add my 2 eggs and my onion. This is like 1/2 cup of onions. Okay, mix that up. Let me turn on my heat. Okay. While I'm doing this, now I'm adding some flour. I got a tablespoon of flour. I'm gonna mix it all together. My mother, she would coat her mackerels in cornmeal. Some people put the cornmeal inside their mackerel mixture, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to show you how I remember her doing it. You can add like 2 tablespoons, but I'm just going to show y'all how my mother used to do hers. Okay, we're finished mixing. we're getting ready to cook up these fried mackerels. To find out if your oil is ready, just pinch some cornmeal. It's not ready just yet. Okay, I think my oil is ready now. I'm going to show y'all the way I remembered her doing it. Let me go back out. Okay, this is what she did. She would put some in her hand. And this is how some people cook theirs, just like this. Like this with not any cornmeal on it. On a coating. They do not coat theirs. But this is the way I remember her doing hers, like this. Y'all, this is her recipe. I'm just showing y'all how I remember. And I'm going to put it in the skillet. Let me bring y'all over so y'all can see more closely. Bring y'all over so y'all can see. Yeah, that's the way she used to do it. And if you don't want this cornmeal coating, just put your mackerels in there just the way they are. Just shape them and just put them in the skillet. I'm going to let these cook until they get brown on the bottom side. Okay, what you do, you just check them. Look on the bottom. It's a little brown, but I'm going to let it cook just a little bit more, okay? Just a little bit more. Yes, you keep checking to see if they have browned. See, this one have brown, as y'all can see. See, it had brown. And I'm going to mash it just a little bit. See how brown it is? Okay. Now we're going to let these brown on the bottom side. As soon as they get brown, I'm going to be right back. It's just really amazing how you see other people cooking so different from you. But that's the way they was taught. And so this is the way I was taught to do my mackerels like this. And so it's just amazing how everybody cooks different. I was watching a lady I love watching on YouTube. She didn't even put any coating on hers. And that's just the way she cooks. And I was so amazed. I said, she's not going to put any cornmeal on hers? Wow. I just didn't know. I had never seen that before. But everybody cooks different. You do it the way you want to do it, okay? You do it. You make this your recipe, okay? That means with your recipe, you can do it exactly the way you want to do it. Let's see. It has it brown on this side. Yep, as y'all can see, it has brown. So I'm going to take these out. Yep, see there? Take these out. You cook these on medium-high heat. Okay, I'm going to finish cooking the rest of my jack mackerels, and I'm going to be back with my fried potatoes. Okay, here I have some fries that I have cut up. I done drained, and you can get a paper towel and dry them off so they won't really just splatter. The grease won't splatter on you. I'm going to put a little salt on it. You can put like salt and black pepper on this, or you can add whatever seasoning you like on your fries. But I'm just going to use plain black pepper and salt. As y'all see, my oil is getting hot. Okay, let me put a fry here. Let's see. Yeah, it's ready. Okay. Like I say, you can put whatever season you want to put on your fries. You can put seasoned salt, black pepper and salt, onion powder and salt and black pepper, whatever your seasoning, whatever season you want to put on yours. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let these fry up until they turn brown at the bottom, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all something. This little thing, I don't know if y'all have one of these at home. Like if you're kind of afraid of the oil, what you do, just pick it up out of the bowl, your fries or whatever, and just lay it in there with that, like that. Okay? Okay. Like that. I just want to share that with you all, just in case, you know, some people are afraid of oil. So I would use this little gadget right here, and to pick up your fries or whatever. I even do them with my fried green tomatoes and fried squash and things like that. My fried okra. You just use this little gadget right here and just lay it down off in there, okay? Just lay it down off in there. Okay, y'all. I just want to show y'all that little tip. Here are the fries now. Let me show y'all. See how they turning brown? All you do is just turn them, flip them over. Flip them over like that. When they get brown. Y'all, there's nothing like homemade fries. The store-bought ones are okay, but there is nothing like the homemade fries. Okay, y'all, I'm going to finish. I'm going to let these brown, and I'm going to finish cooking my fries, and I'm going to show y'all my final. Okay, y'all, I am back with my final result. Here is my fried Jack mackerels and my homemade fries. And I'm getting ready to plate these up. Some of these on the plate. Okay, plate those up. Okay. We put one of the Jack mackerels on there. Put the Jack mackerels on there. Okay, put a little ketchup. What do y'all put on y'all Jack mackerels? Do y'all just eat them like that, or do y'all put anything else on it? Okay, I'm gonna serve this up with some bread, and I'm also gonna fix my grandkids. Y'all, let me show y'all this. I made some small ones for my grandkids. The little small ones. I got like 1 year old, 2 years old. And there here's one of the baskets I'm making for them. Put him a little ketchup on his. Okay. Okay, y'all, these are my plates. Let me get my other one and show you this one as well. Okay, here's my final result. And I was going to show y'all these, y'all. These are some handy tools to use. These are good for fish fries or for fish fries or whatever, you know. And this one as well. This one I was using with the mackerels, the fried mackerels. These are they're easy to use, and you don't have to worry about the splatter. That's what I like about them. You don't have to worry about the splatter. Okay, y'all, well, I'm getting ready to close. Y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Okay, y'all, I got 2 taste testers here. I got Jade and Jaden.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube family.
Hi, YouTube family.
Okay, how are y'all enjoying y'all mackerels and homemade fries?
Good.
Oh, y'all, these are chatter boxes for real. And they're not wanting to talk, I guess because they are eating. But I just wanted to show y'all. What did you say about the mackerels, Jade?
They're so good. I might want another one.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, y'all hear that? They want seconds. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna close. And I'm gonna tell y'all have a blessed day. For real, this time, y'all, for real, y'all have a blessed day. I was telling my grandkids about when I was little. I used to eat these mackerels and fries, and my mother would also make some homemade biscuits, and she would put the syrup on our fries and our mackerels. Oh, y'all, that was so good. I just love that mixture and that butter on that biscuit and the syrup. That was so good. That was so good. Okay, y'all, well, I'm going to let them finish eating. As y'all can see, they're not playing. I'm going to let them finish eating, and I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and
Bye-bye
For now.
okay, bye-bye for now.